Xfinity Stream Error 0 typically indicates a failure in the app's initialization or data retrieval process. The most common causes are corrupted app cache, outdated software, or network connectivity issues. To quickly address this, start by clearing the Xfinity Stream app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Xfinity Stream, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app, as iOS doesn't allow direct cache clearing. After clearing the cache or reinstalling on iOS, restart the app. If the error persists, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection with at least 25 megabit per second, as recommended by Xfinity. Rogers customers in Canada should also ensure they are not using a VPN that might interfere with location verification. If these immediate steps don't resolve the issue, proceed to updating the app. If clearing the cache didn't solve error 0, update the Xfinity Stream app to the latest version. Check the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS for available updates. App version 4.35.0, released October 2025, includes bug fixes specifically addressing this error, improving stability. If updating doesn't work, or if you're already on the latest version, the next step is to reinstall the app. Uninstall Xfinity Stream from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted copy of the application. After reinstalling, you'll need to log back in and potentially re-sync your DVR settings. As a final measure, especially for Rogers users, contact Xfinity support directly, as the issue might be related to account-specific or regional server problems. According to Xfinity's 2025 user survey, 35% of errors are resolved with a cache clear and 25% with updates. If issues persist, direct support is recommended.